Hello,
Okay, so
good
good morning.
morning. Good morning. How
Good
are
morning,
you?
Vicky. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. And what about you? How are you doing today and how is your morning today?
I'm pretty well, and my morning is also going well and smoothly, and I am like everything is hunky dory in my side. Mhm.
That's really great and great to know
Yeah.
about like everything is
Mhm.
going great. So,
Mhm.
are you taking like session before this one?
Yeah, of course, I took one session. Mhm.
Okay, that's
Mhm.
why you told me that just
Yeah,
wait for
I
5 minutes.
just finished 5 minutes ago.
Okay, really great. And please introduce yourself as we know about ours, each other, but for the sake of this video.
Yeah, of course. As you know, my name is Vikita and I hail from Gujarat. If I talk about my education, so I done graduation in English literature. Apart from I held two degree, PGDCA and MCA. Now I'm a homemaker and home tutor, and I just my started channel to improve myself and to enhance my communication skill. My channel name is Sign with Vikita, where I upload conversation video and solo video, and I bless with one son. That's about me.
That's really great to know about you. And
Mm.
when did you start your channel?
Like 15 day ago, I started my channel.
Okay, that's really great. So
Yeah.
you are so confident, I must say, because within 15 days you are conducting this
Mhm.
type of
Mhm.
conversation. So
Yeah.
yes,
Mhm.
because confidence is visible.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Mhm. So please tell me about something.
Okay, sure. As you know that my name is Swati and I'm from Jammu and Kashmir and
Mm-hmm.
I'm a homemaker, mother to one kid. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love reading, listening to music, watching movie and playing badminton. And
Mm-hmm.
apart from this, I also have a small YouTube channel where I post some conversation video and solo video regarding English language.
Mm-hmm.
And I also love to connect with people through these type of video call and learn from them also. So that's
Mm-hmm.
a bit about me.
Yeah,
Yes.
glad to know about you.
Mm. Yes. And Vikita, you started your journey like 15 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
So what was the reason behind it and what motivated you to start your channel?
Okay. So whenever I started my learning journey, that time I thought one day I will start my YouTube channel and one day I will speak like as a YouTuber, because whenever I saw the any video, whenever then I started my journey, that time I feel like proud of moment, because nowadays the English become a global language. So whenever we go outside, so we need like to mandatory to speak this language, because nowadays also I
Mm.
have miss we have the mother homemaker, so we have the children, so it is necessary to create the environment of English around them, so they can easily catch up all the things, because only in school they teach, and whenever we came the harm and we always like talk with our native language, so they can like face so many situations whenever they grown up, that time not they able to catch up the all the things, because now they have the children, so they can catch up easily compared to ourselves. So in this way I want to learn my this language my son, and I also want to become something, and I want to achieve something extra, because whatever want to something extra, we need to learn this language in any field, because
Right.
we any field we go, we need this language. So and we have we now I am a homemaker and I have a little baby, so I don't get miss didn't get chance to outside and go to job because of carrying my baby. So it is a best option to stay home and according to your time to handle the what miss this YouTube channel, and to work in this channel and uplift your level. So that's why.
That's really great. And I totally resonate with you that you are
Hmm.
working on your personality development and you also
Yeah.
want to create that environment for your child. So as you know that this language is a global language. So if you want to, improve at your personal level or at your career level, you need this language. You need
Yeah,
a good command on this language. So
right,
that's really great. Like you are working on your English, and as well as you also started your channel for your improvement, as well as
right,
you're also like helping others learner also
right.
to speak this language with confidence and clarity. Really great.
Yeah,
And I forgot to say that first of all, Happy New Year 2026
yeah, of
because
course.
we
Happy New
forget to
Year.
wish each other.
Very happy New Year.
Yes, same to you.
Yeah.
Thank you. And every person, when any like New Year's came and they have or made some resolution. So, did you made any resolution for this year?
Yeah, I made some resolution because I maintain my consistency. But I don't believe in this too much
Mm.
because I started my channel like 15 day ago. So if I believe the resolution, so I delay the 15 days, and after that I started like 2026. But I believe like if you do something, so you like take a action at a time. You don't wait the perfection, you
Mm.
don't wait the permission. And if you
Mm.
want start, so please start. Because whenever you will not
Mm.
start, we like think overthinking every time what happens the next.
Mm.
But whenever you start, after that you know about all the things. After starting only you are thinking what happens, but you don't feel like feel it like practically. If you start, after that you feel like focus all the practical things, and you know you everything know you gradually what happens and how to
Mm.
upload and how to make the thumbnail. After that you can learn all the things. So I also
Mm.
like a resolution like in this year 2026 I want to become a fluent speaker, and I uplift my level. After that whenever I uplift my level, I started online classes. Like I teach a beginner level student. So in this way, this is my resolution.
Mm. Okay, like you made. Yes, as you
Mhm.
said that we don't need to make so many resolutions. So take like small resolution like if I want to become fluent at this language, so I need to take action accordingly also.
Right.
It doesn't mean
Mhm.
that we are just writing our resolution on
Mhm.
some diary and forget about to take action.
Right.
So yes, like
Mhm.
take a resolution and also work accordingly. Otherwise,
Right.
we end up with overthinking and don't take
Mhm.
action. And people also made so many resolution, but after some time they felt demotivated
Right.
and start overthinking. So
Right.
yes.
Right.
So Vikita, do you believe in manifestation?
Yeah, I believe a lot
Oh,
in manifest and
okay.
universe also because in
Hmm.
everyday like I gratitude to the like God, and I say all the things what I want to achieve and what I become, and thankful to the universe give me this opportunity to become and to learn this language and give the idea about all the things. So I always
Hmm.
manifest. I believe in manifest. Are you believe?
So, according to you, what is manifestation and how do you do manifestation?
Means whenever I like sleep, that time I also like gratitude to the universe, and I do the manifest like whatever you give, like a good health life and good family, and to become a capable me to learn this language and become my career. So I always gratitude and to the universe, and whenever I wake up, that time I do this thing. So in this way I manifest. Mhm.
Okay, that's really great. Like you feel
Mhm.
gratitude towards the God, whatever you have in your life and whatever you
Right.
want to do in your life, you do manifestation while sleeping
Yeah.
or thinking in your mind.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
yes, like according to me, manifestation is already there, but
Hmm.
nowadays people naming it like manifestation, it doesn't like a magic.
Magic.
Actually,
Right.
we all people want to do in our life. We always want to achieve dreams, so we have to take action accordingly.
Right.
So manifestation is also the same thing, that you want to do become or you want to achieve anything. So you just start thinking about it and write some resolution, write some manifestation kind, and you also take action accordingly.
Right.
So many people, also do manifestation.
Mm-hmm.
So they also, sometimes don't take action accordingly. They thought that universe will work, but it
Right.
doesn't
It
like
is not.
that. You
Right.
need to take
Right.
action.
Yeah, of
Yes.
course, I totally resonate with you. Only you sit
Mm,
idle and beating around the bush and only think in future I will become a fluent. So it is not possible in any one, because you have to put your efforts, dedication, your time, and
mm,
you also like simultaneously you give the manifestation and gratitude your words to the God. So amalgamation of the manifestation and the hard work that you get the result.
mm. Right. So when did you first time hear the name or listen this name, manifestation?
Mhm. Miss me, whenever I started my after don't realize what is the universe, and I also know about the word. I never listen the word universe and manifest, because after uh, coming this journey, whenever I saw the
Mm,
video, like YouTuber videos,
mm,
that time they discuss about the manifest and universe. That time I've
mm,
listened this word first. After that I went to the Google and search about all the thing,
mm,
what is the manifest and how to work that, and how to we have to how to apply on that, and how we get the
mm,
result. So after that I knew all the things about that, and I started work on this, because I had
yes,
interest that time, because that time whenever I saw the video, that time I had interest about, and this video mesmerized me to do all the things.
mm.
So,
Because it inspires us to motivate us to take the action. So
yeah,
manifestation is already there,
yeah,
but this
yeah,
name manifestation actually we hear and learn from our
mhm,
journey only, because
right,
we try to immerse ourselves in this language, and whenever we go on YouTube, and we also saw, like, watch many video regarding manifestation, how people do manifestation, and some people believe that manifestation is already there, manifestation is not magic, because
right,
before people want to do in their life to do
mhm,
achieve goals, they just take action accordingly. They just try to change their daily action, try
right,
to change their daily habit. So yes, I also heard this name in
mhm,
while in this journey of speaking English. So yes, I
right,
also
right,
feel like motivated, inspired while watching these kind of videos, because
yeah,
people are also inspired, and they also took action, because
right.
they are also inspired by these terms like manifestation, resolutions, but it is already there.
Yeah, 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 of course, I totally resonate with you. Yeah, of course.
So,
Mm.
what type of the activities you are nowadays trying to do level up your English?
Nowadays, I face some obstacles mispronounce the word. Sometimes I never recall the word whenever I try to speak in front of especially stranger person, and I also make some mistake in tense. So according to this, I do shadowing practice every day. I read story
Yeah.
out loud, especially that is the past tense. So I improve my past tense, and I also use sometimes ChatGPT, Gemini whenever I free. So I talk with them, and I make some topic, and I try to rectify this my mistake, and improve in this level. And whenever I free, that time I watch my video again, and what I made my mistake in this video. So in this way I rectified my mistake.
Okay, that's great. Like a great
Mhm.
like a daily habit that you are doing for the
Mhm.
improvement of your English. Like what you
Mhm.
said, that you are doing shadowing practice and
Yeah,
reading story, read out loud.
read
So I
out
think you
loud.
are really doing great, and you are also conducting these type of session like video session.
Right,
So
video
it really
session.
helps you in the journey of your
Yeah,
speaking English.
yeah.
So I think
But
you are doing really great. Are you
yeah.
interested in writing also?
Mm, no, I'm not into because writing takes too much time. I know it is play a
Hmm.
crucial role to save our journey, but it takes too much
Hmm.
time. In previously, whenever
Hmm.
I started my journey, that time I used to write. I used to write, jot down some words, and I try to make the sentence. And I also joined one WhatsApp group where the some one lady send every day a picture according to picture we explain the picture, what is this picture and what is the picture of miss what is the picture saying that. So I try to that time I'm not able to speak continuously. That time first I read,
Hmm.
I write, and I read, and after that I try to speak. But now I am able to express easily, so now I am
Hmm.
not into like writing.
Okay, great, great. And
Mhm.
when I started my journey of this language, I also started with the same, like reading, writing, speaking, and listening. But
Mhm.
nowadays, I don't I also don't get much time for writing because I know
Yeah,
writing is very crucial to, manage our thought, how
yeah.
to we can, clearly speak if we are into
Mhm.
writing because
Right, right.
we know our thought, our idea clearly when we
Yeah.
start writing. So I
Mm-hmm.
also did the same, like I
Mm-hmm.
started my journey with writing also. So in the morning, I started writing like one page. But nowadays, I'm more into shadowing practice, listening, and
Mm-hmm.
speaking. So yes, I
Mm-hmm.
also not forget, but I left this habit of writing.
Yeah, of course, I
Hmm.
also because it take consume so much time. And being a homemaker, we all know we
Hmm.
don't get too much time to learn all the things, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, of course. So
Mhm.
now the
Yes,
winter
and if
is,
we are
yeah, of
trying to
course.
write, that time we
Hmm.
also need some time.
What?
Yes, winter is going on, and we feel lazy to do extra work. Like winter is going on, winter season is going on, and we also feel lazy
Yeah, of
in
course,
this season.
yeah, of course, winter is going
Do
on.
you feel
Uh,
lazy?
I'm not feel lazy because I am now full confident and full energetic because
Okay.
I because
Hmm.
if I feel lazy and I don't wake
Then
up
it's
early,
okay.
so
Hmm.
I'm not able to
Hmm.
manage all the things on according to time. So I it is not like after that I
Hmm.
feel overwhelmed because I'm not able to do all the things on time because
Hmm.
nowadays I have so many things on my plate. According to time I have to complete this, the it is forcefully so.
Okay. It's really great. Like you are energetic and you don't feel lazy because
Mm.
you get up early in the morning. It is
Yeah,
also a great thing because
yeah.
in the winter
Mhm.
season we don't want to, get up early in the morning.
Yeah,
So, I am like seeing your journey, like you are telling me about yourself, like you get up early in the morning, you feel energetic. If you
yeah.
get up like late, then you feel lazy.
Yeah, of course. When
Okay.
then you feel when we feel lazy, whenever we get up late, we can't complete it. We able to all the things because we have so many home chores work according to dinner, lunch. We
Mm.
have to prepare. We have to handle our family, children, and I also take tuition. So I also give the time according to my schedule from for the tuition. So it is very
Mm.
difficult to, and nowadays I learned this language simultaneously, like I started my channel, so now I learn how
Mm.
to update, how to make thumbnail set, that also take too much time. So
Yes, making thumbnail and editing video takes so much time of yours.
yeah, yeah.
So I
So
definitely agree with you on this point. So I
hmm.
would like to ask you that what type of the content you watch on YouTube, or is there any particular channel you follow for your level of English?
Yeah, of course. Miss most ofly I listen like a conversation video on YouTube, and
Hmm.
sometime I also listen broadcast. Not like I'm not fond of like web series and movies because it takes too much time. So I'm not fond of. I
Right.
only listen like a conversation video and a podcast whenever I free, whenever I do
Mm.
my home chores, whenever I like prepare lunch, yeah, dinner. That time I plug in my Bluetooth and I started my listening practice. In uh, in
Mm.
this way, I handle.
Great. Mm.
Mhm. Mhm.
That's really great. Like you spend your quality time in a good manners. Like while
Yeah,
doing
right.
also chores, you are listening content. So listening is
Mm.
also a great,
Yeah,
passive activity that we can take input for the
yeah,
output, whatever you
yeah, of
want to
course.
say. And while listening, actually, we can work on our pronunciation and
Yeah,
sentence flow. So
yeah, of
there's
course.
lots of things that we can learn from listening. So is there any particular channel or podcast you regularly follow?
Yeah, of course. Means I follow like not podcasts in particular, but I follow like Rajini Verma channel and Karisma ma'am, Santa ma'am. I follow like 10 to 12 YouTubers. Whenever I
Hmm.
get the time, I try to listen them YouTube videos. Mhm. And
Hmm.
I
Because there's
also.
so many. Hmm.
Mhm. I also believe if you have input, then you can give the output. The listening and
Yeah.
reading is the input, and speaking, writing is the output. Whenever you try to speak, if you have no
Hmm.
the knowledge about all the subject according to your that topic,
Hmm.
so how to can speak? So first of all, when you
Right.
start your
Right.
journey, that time please start with the listening. Whenever you listen, after
Hmm.
that you can give the output. You can give the like you can able to speak. Mhm.
Right, right. I totally agree with you that. And it is
Mhm.
also said that if you want to
Mm.
be a good speaker, first of all, you have to be a good listener. So yes,
Right.
for speaking, you must need to listen more and more.
Yeah.
So
Right.
many people, spend more time taking input and a very small time they spend on,
Mm-hmm.
speaking. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why people hesitate to
Mm-hmm.
speak because
Mm-hmm.
more time they give to input only. But when
Mm-hmm.
times to give output, they don't realize that they are not giving more time to output. That's why they also feel hesitate. So what
Yeah.
is your point on that? Why people hesitate while speaking?
Miss,
So what is your point?
in my perspective, I always say that
Hmm.
if you like 1 hour listening, so at least you speak like 50 to half hours of like speaking practice also. You can
Hmm.
handle both of, so it is easy for you. You only all day only listening practice, and you never try to speak any word, so it is not possible for you because we learn this language about like speaking because we want to become like fluent speaker. If you we never try to
Hmm.
speak, it is not possible to achieve the level of fluency. So we try to
Right.
comfort out our zone, step out of our comfort zone and try to speak. In
Hmm.
initial stage it is like hard not to crack for us because but
Hmm.
start with like broken English. It is okay, you make mistake,
Hmm.
you start like some word English, some words your native language, but start.
Hmm.
Please
Right.
speak with yourself what you are doing. Sit your room
Hmm.
and look at all the things like this is the chair, its color is brown, it made from wooden, yeah,
Hmm.
plastic. This is the cupboard we like
Right.
used to put the clothes. uh, this is the curtain, its color is white yellow. So in this way please start your practice, so in this way you achieve your
Hmm.
fluency. Mhm.
Yes, yes, rightly said that we can
Mhm.
start naming the object nearby us, our
Yeah,
surrounding. We can also make small, small sentence regarding
right.
those objects that is surrounding with us. So
Mm-hmm.
we should start speaking whether, people are waiting to be perfect. They thought that first of all they should have be very perfect, then they start. But it not like that. Those who are very good fluent speaker, they also
Mm-hmm.
start with the same, doing lots of mistake and practice more
Yeah,
and more. So everyone start their journey with lots of mistake, and after
yeah,
that, working on their mistake, they become a good speaker. Because we can
yeah.
also, follow the journey of the YouTuber, those who also
Right.
upload conversation video like Rajni Verma or Krishma, and we
Mm.
can also start their journey. When they started their journey, they are also very new at this language, and they also did a lot of mistake, but while
Right.
practicing today, they are very fluent and confident speaker, and actually we are taking inspiration from them also.
Yeah, of course,
So
because
yes.
every fluent speaker, every advanced speaker, they one day they started their journey from the scratch. Because no one
Mm,
like from the born teach all the things. After born, all the people like learn the whatever they want to do. So whenever
mm,
miss everyone start their journey from the scratch, but by practice they inculcate the habit, all the things, and after that they achieve
mm,
their level. Mhm.
great, great. And Vikita, I
Mm.
think we did discuss a lot. So do you have
Mm.
any question? Otherwise, we can wrap up the session.
Uh, no, I haven't any question. Uh, yeah, of course.
Can we wrap up the session?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Why not?
So,
Thank you so much
yes,
for
because
giving your time.
and thank you so much for having me on your platform. And I
Mm.
truly enjoyed this conversation and learn a lot from your side also. So definitely we
Yeah.
will connect again and do
Yeah.
more conversation.
Right, right,
We will
right.
do more
It was
conversation.
a
Yes.
insightful and fruitful session. Not only us, but our viewers also learned something new from these sessions. So it was an
Yes, yes,
amazing
definitely we
session.
will learn.
Definitely.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.